Concord Market ako ngayon. Pero sabi mo sarado daw pag Linggo. So I changed them. I love India. May friend kasi ako na nagsabi na pupuntahan ko daw yung Colaba Market. Tapos meron siyang may kasi siya doon na favorite. So itry natin. Tapos sabi niya mag-picture daw kapag nandun ako. Challenge accepted. So parating na. In the Colaba Hotel, I'm very close to all the tourist spots,
Point, the Gateway of India.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to go here, go to the old Mumbai in Dongra. What's this?
That was the Dongri area.
Dongri area, or you can just come here in the Colaba area market, and you can find your place here. Then all of the tourist spots here you can walk, right, my friend? Because from here, the Gateway of India is how many minutes?
See, from car it will take like
5 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes because of the
5 to
traffic.
10 minutes. And then you can walk to Marine Drive, right?
Yes.
And in Colaba area, market, you can see everything here. Look. What's the name of that? Is that church, my friend?
No, that's the municipal corporation of Mumbai.
But not allowed to go there, no? To film.
Today it is closed. Government is closed on Sundays.
Oh my gosh. Because it's holiday, no?
Yeah. Sunday is a national holiday.
Hi friends, welcome to Mumbai. Okay. Yung friend ko kasi nag-challenge sa akin na mag-picture daw ako sa Cafe Mondigar. O, ayan na siya. Ayan na ang Cafe Mondigar. Saka nakapag-selfie na ako. Ang ganda ng area na to ng India. Kasi parang para sa akin na parang may Europe vibe ka. So, explore. Ang ganda ng bus nila. Parang Singapore. Need ko magbili ng shade kasi parang nakakaya mo siya. Takot ako pumawi. Catherine Lock. No, thank you. Parang super crowded sa Cafe Mondigar. So mamaya na tayo. Siyempre nandito tayo. Kain tayo dun. Tignan natin kain niya. Saan ka din yung shade?